This video shows you the features of our IFRS for SME's financial statement checker. So we are just going to run through how to use this financial statements checker. It's an online service where you buy credits and you basically use one credit for one report. You can buy a single credit for a single report, or you can buy credits in bulk at discounted prices and keep the credits for when you need to use them. Credits never expire, so you only pay for what you use. This is what sets our disclosure checker apart from most other financial statement compliance checking solutions. There are no monthly or annual subscriptions, so you only pay for what you get. If you don't use the checker for a few months, it costs you nothing. Let's now have a closer look at the checker. Start by registering for an account with us, buy the appropriate number of credits, and then log into the checker. The disclosure checker works off PDF financial statements. Upload your PDF file and the checker will compare your PDF financial statements to the IFRS for SMEs accounting standard. I'll show you an example now. I'm just going to drag this sample file in here. As soon as you do, you'll see the upload box changes color. I'll then click the Submit button. You'll also see it shows your credit balance at the bottom and also a link to your account. After clicking the Submit button, the checker will start running. The accounting standard is quite an extensive document with more than 200 pages. So the checker will take a few minutes to run through everything and cross-check every disclosure in your financial statements, especially all the notes to the financial statements, to make sure that all the notes comply with the information required as per the accounting standard. This process usually takes between 3 and 5 minutes to complete. The report classifies gaps in disclosures in terms of severity in 3 categories: high, medium, and low. The report will list missing disclosures, presentation errors, and issues for professional judgment. That's kind of your gray areas where there's not necessarily an error that needs to be fixed, but rather an issue that needs to be noted and considered. The report will be available online and you will be redirected to it once the checker has completed the comparison between your PDF financial statements and the accounting standard. It will also be available in a PDF format. You do not need to stay on the page while the checker runs. You can return later and the report which has been compiled will still be open on the page. You can also access all of your previous reports from your account page. Okay, there you go. The checker has finished and it's produced the report. In the example that I uploaded, there are no high severity issues, just 4 medium and 3 low-rated issues. The report starts with the business name and period and includes a short summary of the results. It refers to the accounting standard which we use in the checker, the 3rd edition of the IFRS for SME standard. This version of the standard is only due from January 1st, 2027, but early adoption is allowed. You can also use the checker for planning purposes to see which additional disclosures are required in the new edition of the standard. The report also includes the exact sections of the standard it refers to, which makes it a lot easier to refer back to the standard to determine what needs to be fixed in order to have fully compliant financial statements. There's also links at the bottom of the report where you can view a PDF download of the report. You can also go back to Uploads to upload another set of financial statements, and you can click this link to go to your account. Let me show you that now. The account page includes your billing details and a list of all of your purchases, with links to your invoices. It also shows every successful submission for which a credit was deducted from your account, with a link to the report it generated. There is also an option to download the report in a PDF format. You therefore have a full audit trail of credits purchased, less credits used for reports, and the remaining credit balance. As I mentioned previously, 1 credit is basically deducted for each report generated. In summary, our financial statements disclosure checker is very easy to use and generates a comprehensive report of missing disclosures, which can be used to fix your financial statements to ensure that they always comply with the IFRS for SMEs accounting standard. All of this in just a few minutes. If you like what you see, just use the link in the description below this video to buy credits and start using our unique financial statements checker.